Bitcoin is coming closer and closer towards the next breakout, and in this exact video I will talk about the price action that we're currently seeing here on Bitcoin. I will talk about the CME gap that got filled up, and of course we've still got a CME gap trading below us around $20,000. Will the CME gap get filled up? I will discuss this on today's update video. I will give an update on my trade that currently is in more than $1,500 in profit, and much more important stuff. So don't forget to snap up that like button on today's video. Can we once again smash it back above the 400 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And yes, once looking at the imminent short term, we can finally see the Bitcoin CME gap got filled up exactly like we have been predicting. And straight away after the CME gap got filled up, we start to see already a small little bounce for Bitcoin happening yet again. Do be aware, if you're looking at the 1 hour time frame, we are still creating lower highs on the price action on Bitcoin together with lower lows, what means that currently we are still clearly trading in a bearish trend. And of course I will remain to be bearish on Bitcoin as long as we're not breaking the downtrend. So currently Bitcoin is in a downtrend, so I will remain to be bearish on Bitcoin. If we do, however, see a potential breakout towards the upside of this 4 hour consolidation phase, I will be turning out a little bit more bullish for the imminent short term. However, right now, once looking at Bitcoin, I am just waiting to see where the next move is going to be heading towards. And if we're clearly seeing a breakdown or a breakout towards the upside, it's going to help me to guide myself with my next trade on Bitcoin, whether I should go long or short. Currently, I am still short on Bitcoin. I shorted Bitcoin from that level of 27.4k. 27.4k was exactly that level of that retest right here. And every single time so far we've retested this level, I've basically shorted Bitcoin. And every single time I've shorted Bitcoin over there, I've made a ton of money. And currently, once again, making more than $1,500 in profit, what is definitely a very nice profit on such kind of a trade here. So once looking at Bitcoin and its next direction, I really want to be looking at that imminent short term for Bitcoin, because on the imminent short term, we can clearly see Bitcoin is creating a new consolidation phase. And this consolidation phase will be breaking out anytime soon. To be clear, I'm expecting a breakout to be happening within the coming 2 to 3 days ahead of ourselves. And once this pattern does decide to be breaking out, whether it's going to be bullish or whether it's going to be bearish, it's going to be a very good trading opportunity towards the upside or towards the downside. The downwards price target is somewhere around 25.2k, while the upside target is somewhere around $29,000. So I'm going to keep my eyes wide open on this breakout, and once it does decide to be breaking out, I will either make an emergency video here on YouTube or give you guys some intel on Telegram or on my Twitter page. So make sure to follow me across all socials to stay up to date exactly once Bitcoin is breaking out, because then I will be opening up a new gigantic Bitcoin trading position. Of course, if it breaks bearish, I will potentially add some more liquidity towards this trade. And of course, if we are going to come down towards levels around $24,000 to $25,000, I'm going to definitely start scaling out all my short positions, and I'm going to be opening up my $1 million Bitcoin long position, like I've said for quite a while on the channel, because I will be opening up a gigantic Bitcoin long position once Bitcoin comes down towards that region around $24,000 to $25,000. If you're interested in trading yourself, don't forget to check out the links in the description, where you can right now sign up a new account. And if you're using the link in the description, you can actually claim an additional deposit bonus up to $30,000 on Bybit or on BitGet. So make sure to go into the link in the description and set up your account yourself if you're interested in trading. Currently, I've got more than $170,000 on my account, and with this money, I will be, of course, deploy it in towards a long position. So I'm completely ready to open up a gigantic new position here on Bitcoin. And of course, currently we're seeing that we're actually retesting this very important previous level of support. If we manage to break above this level, we're probably going to see some more upside. Currently, it's really calm before the storm, because yeah, we're creating another consolidation phase. So we just have to be a little bit patient to see where we're going to be breaking towards. And if we do break bearish, my price target is really $24,000 to $25,000. And yeah, once we reach the target, I'm going to go in towards big long positions, because yes, that target on the lower side is also big support if you're going to look at the bigger picture. Further on, we can currently see that Bitcoin is actually, of course, having that head and shoulders breakdown like we've discussed for quite a while here, still trading below this very important level of resistance. And if you're looking at the daily time frame, you can actually see that Bitcoin had a breakdown of the symmetrical triangle, and right now we're seeing already that small continuation towards the downside happening. And if you're looking at the bigger picture, you can see the $24,000 to $25,000 is the major support here on Bitcoin, and that is also exactly the level that I want to be longing here for Bitcoin. So I'm going to be a little bit more patient. Maybe we're going to not reach this level at all, but if we do reach this level, it's going to be a gigantic opportunity to, of course, make a ton of money. So I'm going to be patient, and of of course, if I get the opportunity to long Bitcoin around that level, it's going to be an opportunity of a lifetime. And what it is with trading is that you should be patient, because I shorted Bitcoin also on $31,000 and it went up to here to 31 point, what is it, 2K. And of course, after that, it went down all the way down to $26,000. So sometimes you just have to be a little bit patient, but it tends to take some time here. So make sure to have that patience in the market right now. Of course, I will be still buying more Bitcoin every single day for my hodl position, but for my trading positions, I am very, very patient. Furthermore, we can see on the weekly time frame that the MACD is right now actually crossing bearish for Bitcoin for the first time ever. I mean, it's not crossing bearish yet, but it is about to be crossing bearish for the first time ever in an approximately 280 days. So make sure to pay attention towards that one as well here. This bearish close could have very bearish effects on the market, and you can clearly see on the weekly time frame there's one gigantic level of big resistance, the 31.7k. That is the level to break above. If we break above that level, I will turn extremely bullish. And of course, if you're looking at the support below us, it's $24,000 to $25,000, where we'll be opening up that gigantic Bitcoin long position. So pay attention towards the weekly MACD right now for Bitcoin. It's about to be crossing bearish, and once it crosses bearish, you should be very, very cautious, because once the weekly MACD does decide to cross bearish, and it could be happening next week here, it could bring some more bearish price action towards Bitcoin. So that was it for me on today's update video. If you did enjoy, don't forget to slap up that like button. Currently, I'm in Ibiza, so that is why I've got this beautiful background. Let me know in the comment section down below if you like my setup from here on. But anyways, this was it for me on today's update video. I hope to see you guys back tomorrow or maybe later today. Depends if we're going to be having an insane breakout of this symmetrical triangle right here. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.